The Energy Transition Work Group of the Indonesia G20 presidency said they are ready to work towards agreements to accelerate the transition towards clean energy with concrete steps and actions. Among the three top priority issues include the funding for energy transition, the development of clean energy technologies, and also guaranteeing access and supply for renewable energies.
As part of Indonesia's presidency of the G20 this year, Indonesia is continuing its push to achieve commitments and agreements in the fight against climate change. One such effort pushed by Indonesia is accelerating the transition towards clean energy and ensuring that renewable energy prices remain at affordable levels. Indonesia's Director General of Renewables and Energy Conservation, Dadan Kusdiana, said that Indonesia will offer clean energy solutions that will come in the form of concrete steps and actions, and not just mere words or commitments. According to Dadan, Indonesia has already implemented numerous policies in its shifts towards clean energy, which should convince the international community of Indonesia's capabilities. Such steps taken by Indonesia include policies on renewable energy prices, policies that ensure diesel fuel uses 30% biodiesel, reducing taxes for renewable energies investment, and incentives for geothermal drilling.
Kita tidak bilang di situ bahwa energi yang zero emission, tapi yang berkelanjutan untuk segala hal ya. Untuk ekonomi, untuk lingkungan gitu ya, untuk industri gitu. Jadi semuanya harus masuk. Kita itu kami juga di ESDM tidak mengembangkan EBT at any cost. Kita ingin EBT itu energinya bersih, listriknya juga tetap terjangkau ya. Jadi kita tidak akan mendorong pembangkit yang harganya misalkan per sekarang itu harganya 20 sen per kWh gitu. Enggak. Yang begini kita masuk di dalam perencanaan, kita dorong teknologinya supaya bisa terus berjalan gitu ya. Sehingga pada saatnya teknologinya siap, industrinya siap, kemudian secara harganya pun siap.
Meanwhile, the Director of Economic Development and Environmental Concerns, Hari Prabowo, is confident that the priority issues put forth by Indonesia in regards to energy transition will be convincing for all G20 partners. This is especially noting that Indonesia's diplomatic posture leans toward inclusivity.
Jadi kemampuan Indonesia yang untuk build bridges dan postur diplomasi Indonesia yang inklusif itu yang kemudian akan kita optimalkan baik dalam konteks G20 maupun dalam konteks ASEAN menampilkan diplomasi Indonesia yang menjadi bagian dari solusi. Dan itu di G20 yang kemudian berusaha kita terjemahkan dengan memastikan G20 ini membawa konkret deliverables. Jadi nggak hanya menghasilkan kata-kata, tetapi menghasilkan kerjasama yang konkret.
Among the three priority issues put forth by the G20 Energy Transition Working Group in Indonesia is first, ensuring clean energy access, availability, and sustainability. The second priority is to prepare technologies used for renewable energies. And the third is ensuring the necessary funding for energy transition.